How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today in this class, now we will discuss about the winds. First of all, observe this map, all of you. This map tells us the monsoon winds. Okay, now this map tells us the monsoon winds in India. Already you know that north, south, east and west. This green color areas tells us the heavy rainfall. This green color areas receive the high rainfall areas. This is okay now. So in the southwest located the Arabian Sea. Which sea located southwest? Arabian Sea. South is located which sea? Bay of Bengal. South is located which sea? Bay of Bengal. And this arrow marks tells us the wind's direction. Wind's direction tells us. This arrow mark shows the wind direction. Already you know that this is a western gates. Okay now. In this side located the eastern gates. Are you understood? This is a western gates. So look at this. This arrow marks directions. The winds blow Arabian Sea too. Okay, the winds blowing Arabian and Bay of Bengal. Sometimes the winds blow the only Arabian Sea. Okay, now the winds blow the sometimes Arabian Sea. Sometimes the wind direction change. So in that time Bay of Bengal. Okay, now are you understood? In this side, both two sides, southwest side located the Arabian Sea. Okay now, southeast side located the Bay of Bengal. So this arrow marks shows this arrow marks tells us the wind directions. So sometimes the winds are blow Arabian Sea too. Okay, sometimes the wind direction changed. Okay, so in that time Bay of Bengal, the direction is changed. Bay of Bengal to the winds blowing in India. Okay, now see this. These winds come all the way from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, and they transport the rain clouds. Actually, this is a rainy season. So in this rainy season, which direction does the wind blow? Okay, now this is a rainy season. Rainy season started in our Andhra Pradesh which month? June month. So in the rainy season time, during the rainy season time, which direction does the winds blowing? Look here, these winds come all the way from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. These winds blowing all the ways Arabian Sea to Bay of Bengal. So these winds carry that rain clouds. These winds carry that rain clouds. These winds transport the rain clouds. They are called monsoon winds. This type of winds is called monsoon winds. The winds carry the rain clouds. So this type of winds is called monsoon winds. Okay now. In India, two types of monsoon seasons are there. They are also called southwest monsoon winds as they blow from the directions. So they are also called southwest monsoon season. This is south, this is west. They are also called the southwest monsoon season. How can you tell that? The winds are direction. Okay, now the wind's direction. So these are called southwest monsoon season. Okay, now. These winds blow only in summer month. In which month these winds blow that? Summer month only. Okay, now in the summer month the winds blow that. There are two arms of the monsoon winds in India. Two types monsoon winds are there. one blows from the Arabian Sea. Sometimes some months the winds blow the wholly Arabian Sea, and the other from the Bay of Bengal. Sometimes the winds direction are changed. So in that time the Bay of Bengal the winds are blowing. Okay now. The arrows in map 1 show us the direction of winds. So in this map arrows are there. So in these arrows tells us the wind's direction. Okay. Rainfall in Andhra Pradesh. Now we will discuss about in our Andhra Pradesh. And at the same time, look at this picture. This is in India map. In India map, AP located in which place? Look here. AP located in which place? This is AP, Andhra Pradesh. These arrow marks you can observe. The southwest monsoon season first reach in Telangana, Rayalaseema districts. The winds first touched the which district? Rayalaseema districts. Okay now, don't forget. When the southwest monsoon sets around the beginning of June, the winds carrying the clouds also reach Andhra Pradesh. The southwest monsoon season start in which month? June month. The southwest monsoon season in our Andhra Pradesh which month started? June month. The winds carrying the clouds also reach Andhra Pradesh, as you can see from the map 1. These winds reach Rayalaseema districts of Chitturu and Kurnool first. Okay now. The winds carry that which clouds? Rainy clouds. Rain clouds. The winds carry that rain clouds. So especially first reach in Rayalaseema areas. Rayalaseema means Kadapa, Kurnool, Chittoor, these areas. Okay now. These winds reach Rayalaseema districts of Chitturu and Kurnool first. The winds, the rain clouds reach the Kadapa, Rayalaseema, these districts. However, they bring very little rain as most of the moisture in the clouds falls down in rain in the western Ghats, and only dry clouds and winds reach Rayalaseema. Look here this map. First, the winds reached in Andhra Pradesh, which districts? The Rayalaseema districts. But now in this place, Arabian Sea and Andhra Pradesh map, Andhra Pradesh place district, middle of the which Ghats are there? Western Ghats. Okay now. Like these are mountains. Western Ghats means like mountains. Look here. These are Western Ghats. Okay now. The winds carry the which type of clouds? Rain clouds. Okay now. The winds carry that rain clouds. But in this side located the which Ghats? Western Ghats, mountain ranges are there. So most of the rain fall down in this place only. Okay now, most of the rain fall down in this place because of cross this side located the mountains. Okay now, adduga undadam jarigindi. So most of the rains fall down in this place. Okay. You are observed this green color tells us the heavy rainfall areas. Western place, in this place, heavy rainfall areas, this green color place tells us the. Okay na? So, the Rayalaseema, before Rayalaseema reaches time, the rain clouds most of the, which place fall down rain? In the western place, in this place. Okay na? However, they bring very little rain as most of the moisture in the clouds falls down in rain in the western Ghats, and only dry clouds and winds reach Rayalaseema. Finally reached the very dry clouds in the Rayalaseema areas. Are you understood? In the Rayalaseema areas very little rainfall fall down. Okay now, very little rainfall is there. Because of in the before time most of the much rainfall which place and fall down in this place. Okay now, western place. So remaining the clouds rise up, finally reach the Rayalaseema areas. In the Rayalaseema areas, very little rainfall are there. Okay, and the little rainfall, very dry clouds carry that. The mountain ranges like the western Ghats in the path of rain-bearing wind cause them to rise. Rising air cools down and water vapor condenses faster. Okay now. So in these places the rain clouds carry the winds carry the rain clouds. But in this place automatically the cool air came the cool air. So the rain clouds are changed the fastly condensed. Condensation means droplets. Okay, the condensation means the rain clouds change the water. So most of the much water fall down in this place. Okay now. Further ascent leads to rainfall. So further in this place rainfall fall down. Rainfall. This type of rainfall is common in the mountain regions. This type of rainfalls is very common in the mountain areas. Are you understood? Once again I repeat that the winds transport rain clouds. Okay now, long distance the winds carry that long distance the rain clouds. But in these places mountain ranges are there. Western Ghats like Eastern Ghats, these are mountain areas. So in this place the clouds are very cooler. The rain clouds are very cooler, automatically formed the condensation. Okay now. So in this place rainfall, most of the rainfall in this place, just only a little rainfall carry that, a little rain clouds carry that in this place. Finally in the Rayalaseema areas just only received the low rainfalls. Okay now, this type of rainfall is very common in the mountain areas. Next, however, when the clouds descend on the other side of the mountain range, they became dry and give very little rain. Okay now, so in the mountains after in these places mountains after these places very dry clouds are formed that mountain ranges. Yet as it happened when the reaches Rayalaseema, they became dry and given very little rains. Okay now, so in the Rayalaseema this type of areas received the very little rains. Okay now, low rainfall areas, that is it. The southwest monsoon, however, brings much rain to the Telangana districts as the winds again rise over the eastern Ghats. Okay, in this side located the eastern Ghats. So the eastern Ghats rise the southwest monsoon season time. The Telangana districts received the high rainfall. Okay, the southwest monsoon season time, the Telangana district received high rainfall because of in this side eastern Ghats are there. Okay now, eastern Ghats means this. In this side located the eastern Ghats. So Telangana districts reached that high rainfall. Okay, the winds again rise over the eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats, the winds rise up that again Telangana districts heavy rainfall is there. Okay now, the Telangana districts in the southwest monsoon season time heavy rainfall received. In the month from May to October, cyclones from the Bay of Bengal. Now we will discuss about the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal located in India, southeast side. Okay now, especially in the May to October month. May to October. In this month, cyclones formed in the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal causing widespread rains in coastal and inland Andhra Pradesh. So, in the widely spread the rains in Andhra Pradesh. Okay now, because of in this side, Bay of Bengal located in this side, Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh in this rains received that, heavy rains received that May to October month. So Bay of Bengal causing widespread rains in coastal and inland Andhra Pradesh. Rain caused by whirling storms is called cyclonic rain. This type of rains is called cyclonic rains. I mean whirling storms means Alpapidinamu. Sometimes we are also visiting the news or newspapers. అల్పపీడనము. ఓకేనా. సో the Bay of Bengal formed the cyclones. So this affect Andhra Pradesh areas also. Some areas destroyed that. Some areas, especially Orissa, Orissa and some areas. At the same time, cyclone period, the Andhra Pradesh received the high rainfalls. Okay, heavy rains, high rainfalls. These cyclones are formed in the seas due to the intense heat up in summer. Actually, cyclones formed in which place? Seas. Okay, now cyclones formed in which place? Seas. Because of why? In the most of the evaporation form in which season? Summer season. Okay, now most of the evaporation, evaporation speed up in which month? Summer season. So summer season times the cyclones formed the seas place. Okay, now the sea due to intense heating up in summer. In a cyclone, winds blow in form of every side towards the center of heat. In the cyclone time, if you have observed the winds, the remaining times the winds blow only one side or two sides. Okay, now but in the cyclone period, the winds blowing all directions. The winds blowing the all directions. Okay, now the cyclones are formed in the sea due to intense heat up in summer. In a cyclone, winds blow in from every side towards the center of it. In the cyclone period, the winds are blowing every sides, center of heat. Okay. The whirling air rises up and causes rain. So in this place, whirling the winds are rising automatically. Rains formed that. Okay, now rains causes. Are you understood? In the cyclone period, all sides the winds blowing. This is a center. Okay, now in this center, so this rises. This air automatically the rain clouds are cooler. So rain causes. Okay, now the center of this cyclonic storm moves fast with the wind and hits the coastal areas, causing heavy rains and winds. So the center of the cyclonic storms means sudigalu. Okay, now the cyclonic storms moves very fastly in Andhra Pradesh and far distance. Okay, while these bring and in the coastal areas causing heavy rains and winds. Okay, now in the coastal areas bring the heavy rains and rains. Which period? Cyclonic period. While these bring rains to the coastal region, they also cause much destruction. Okay, now so in the cyclone period, the coastal areas, some areas is it totally destruction. In the cyclone period, people face that a lot of problems. The direction of the winds reverse after October as the winds begin to blow from the Bay of Bengal southwestwards. Again, October month, the wind's direction is reverse. Okay, the wind's direction is reverse, changed that. So, Bay of Bengal southwards. This causes heavy rains in October-December months in coastal Andhra Pradesh and moderate rains in Rayalaseema and Telangana direct distance. So, in the October and December month, the winds direction are changed that. So, especially in the coastal Andhra Pradesh, moderate rains. Moderate means in the coastal Andhra Pradesh, received the high rainfall areas. And Telangana, Rayalaseema districts low rainfall received that. Which period? Which month? October and December months. Okay, October and December months, the winds direction changes. So Bay of Bengal to the winds blowing. So in the Andhra Pradesh received the high rainfall, moderate rainfall. In the Rayalaseema, Telangana received the low rainfalls. Okay. This is called northeast monsoon or the return monsoon. So this month is called the northeast monsoon. Okay, northeast monsoon season which time started? November to December. Southwest monsoon season starting in which month? June. Are you understood? Southwest monsoon season starting in June month. In the north south. I mean in the northeast monsoon season starting. Northeast monsoon season or return monsoon season starting in October to December months. Okay, now these are winds direction. Are you understood? In this class, we will discuss about the winds directions. Now this is a rainy season month, rainy season time. Which direction the winds blowing in our country? Okay, now especially in India, south part two seas are there. I mean Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Sometimes the winds are blowing in the Arabian Sea. Sometimes the winds direction change. So in that time the winds blowing the Bay of Bengal. Okay, now in the southwest monsoon season starting in June month and northeast monsoon season starting in October to December months. Especially in the May to October months in cyclones formed that. Which sea? Cyclones formed which sea? In Andhra Pradesh, Bay of Bengal. Okay, now Bay of Bengal cyclones formed in May to October months. Because of May month very hot season, most of the evaporation which place formed the seas and oceans. So in these places only cyclones formed that affect hit up the Andhra Pradesh some areas. Okay, now this is a winds direction. Next class we will discuss about the another topic. Thank you so much.